Hello, friends. Today we are going to tell you about an amazing feature of iPhone screen recording. You can make a quick walkthrough or show off your mobile gaming skills. It only takes a few taps. Go to Settings. Open Control Center. Here, you have Customize Control or More Controls option. Tap the green plus button next to Screen Recording. After adding the shortcut, you begin by opening Control Center. On iPhones older than the iPhone X, get there by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. On newer iPhones, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the Screen Recording button, which will prompt a countdown inside the button followed by it turning red to indicate to begin capturing whatever's on your display. If you think this information is helpful for you, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get latest updates regarding iPhone secret features. Thank you for watching.